CERN, I'd better have a go. I hope that you will like the tune, I hope you'll like the lyrics, and if you do not like them, you don't have to let me know. And if you do not like them, you don't have to let me know. At CERN they catch the particles we theorized about, except for the neutrinos, they keep flitting in and out. So we send them to Princess, let us high as speed as we know, to turn them into antimatter, antipasti, antivino, to turn them into antimatter, antipasti, antivino. Ring a ring of protons collide and show you protons of mu and pi and photons as you go round and round. It's easy for the theorist to theorize what should exist. The poor experimentalist must see it can be found. The poor experimentalist must see it can be found. Dark matter is the stuff that holds the universe together. Dark energy is the stuff that blows the universe apart. And if you're wondering why we call them dark and also weather, we know about them now, we are completely in the dark. We know about them now, we are completely in the dark. We're desperately looking for what dark matter is made of, and we bet on supersymmetry, because there is no doubt that any bet that Susie already will have paid up for half of all its particles we already know about. For half of all its particles we already know about. Ring a ring of protons collide and show you protons of mu and pi and photons as you go round and round. It's easy for the theorist to theorize what should exist. The poor experimentalist must see it can be found. The poor experimentalist must see it can be found. The positrons detected we will send in a trajectory to the antimatter factory to find a mate. The protons must keep moving on, they're not allowed to dawdle on the superproton synchrotron, cause it's their fate that from there we will send them out, no matter how they scream and shout, onto another roundabout, longer and wider, with still a greater punch to pack, from Switzerland to France and back, no faster racing track than the Large Hadron Collider. That black holes have no hair, but some of us still do. If you look into the mirror the morning after the fondue, you have slept on your hair funny, they seriously stick out. It's a slap-on you've discovered, that's what Susie is about. It's a slap-on you've discovered, that's what Susie is about. They will make a new discovery or not, but here's the thing, the folks at CERN are definitely the lords of the ring. It may just be a pipe dream, the grand unified theory, but at 1.9 Kelvin CERN's the coolest place to be. But at 1.9 Kelvin CERN's the coolest place to be. Ring a ring of protons collide and show you protons of mu and pi and photons as you go round and round. It's easy for the theorist to theorize what should exist. The poor experimentalist must see it can be found.